Shut up, dog! You need to clean out your inbox. A bunch of people are asking about your personal life. What are you talking about? They could be fans. I wouldn't question it too much. What? Just go with it. Hey, Scoots, are you going anywhere right now? Downstairs. I need food. Hey, Scoots, how are you and the Crusaders doing? Oh, why, thank you for asking. I'm doing great. Say the same for my siblings. Get it. Sharing is caring. Applebloom and Sweetie Belle, why are you fighting? And Skitterloo, aren't you gonna break up this fight anytime soon? Break it up, you two. You might break the box, and then both of you will have to clean it up. Do you break up fights every morning? Applebloom, Sweetie Belle, stop fighting. Please? What? Hey! You two need to stop fighting and be friends. So Scoots, how is it living with your sisters? Skitterloo, overall you have a good relationship with your sisters. We get along. I guess that's one way to put it. Skitterloo, can you eat a cat for no reason? Good thing we don't have a cat. What am I? Lol, hey Scoots, what do you do when you need food but too lazy to get up? Whoa. Sweetie Belle usually makes our food. I've never learned how, but she's always been good at cooking. I don't know who taught her, though. Right. Actually, no one taught me how to cook. I learned how to cook on my own. Our mom never showed us how. Come to think of it, I don't remember her ever cooking in general. I can't really remember anything from our childhood aside from when we got our cutie marks. Yeah, me neither. That's the downfall of having amnesia. Memories just slip away from you. We're the only one with amnesia. So, question for Skitterloo. Do you ever wonder about how the rest of your life will be like? I mean, you're mentally and physically 13 forever, right? Doesn't the fact that you will never grow up kind of scare you? Oh, of course it scares me. Some of my friends have elemental powers like Babseed and Twilight, so they can't age either. But being able to live forever isn't always a good thing. I watched a lot of my friends grow old and die. My girlfriend left me because she was tired of being called a pedophile. I'll get over it eventually. Oh, Skitterloo, don't cry. I have a question though. Why does Skitterloo cry red tears? Why do you cry blood, Skitterloo? Hey, Skitterloo, why do you cry blood/red tears? Are Applebloom and Sweetie Belle aware that Scoots can cry blood? Can they do it too? Question, I'm sorry if this has answered before, but why does Scoots normally cry tears of blood? Science time! Elemental powers that can change the way our physical forms act. We have elemental powers that can change the way our physical form acts. In order to keep our magic stabilized, our bodies are mostly made out of the material that comes. Our bodies are mostly made out of the material that our magic comes from, though at times it will cause our magic to malfunction. Skitterloo's form mostly consists of fire. At times a malfunction water will tear her flesh apart, so when she cries, her dear tucks will slightly be torn apart, causing her to cry. Me and Sweetie Belle, our bodies work differently. Sweetie's tears are bright blue and mine are orange-red. And hey, don't be like that. Give her a cookie. Take a cookie. It's okay, Scoots. Gives Cookie. Thank you.